It's important to note that individual nutritional needs vary, and what may not be ideal for one person could be suitable for another. However, some foods are generally considered less optimal for a healthy breakfast due to their high sugar, refined carbohydrates, or unhealthy fat content. Here are 5 examples. Sugary cereals. Many commercially available breakfast cereals are loaded with added sugars, which can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash. Opt for whole grain, low sugar options, or consider alternatives like oatmeal. Pastries and sweet baked goods. Items like donuts, pastries, and sweet rolls are often high in refined carbohydrates, sugars, and unhealthy fats. They may provide a quick energy boost but can leave you feeling hungry and fatigued later on. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and other processed meats are high in saturated fats and sodium. Regular consumption has been associated with an increased risk of certain health issues. Consider leaner protein sources like eggs, yogurt, or plant-based options. Sugar-laden coffee. Drinks. Flavored coffee drinks, especially those with whipped cream and syrups, can contribute a significant amount of added sugars and calories. Opt for black coffee, or if you prefer some flavor, try adding a small amount of milk or a natural sweetener. Sugary fruit juices. While fruits are generally healthy, some fruit juices are concentrated sources of sugars without the beneficial fiber found in whole fruits. Choose whole fruits or freshly squeezed juices in moderation, and be mindful of added sugars in commercial fruit juices. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the most appropriate breakfast choices based on your individual health needs and goals. Goodbye, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.